and Java. कोई भी बच्चा जैसे पढ़ रहा है उसी पढ़ रहा है तो कोई डाउट आया तो वहीं का वहीं उसने वहीं का वहीं सॉफ्ट कॉपी उसमें पढ़ रहा है। हाँ तो वो पढ़ रहा है तो वहीं उसको डाउट आया वहीं का वहीं उसने पूछ लिया, क्लियर हो गया, कंटिन्यू करेगा पढ़ना। तो उसका सारा लर्निंग ट्रैक, अडेप्टिव लर्निंग, वो सारी चीज़ें उस बॉट से। एंड हमने मल्टीपल उससे टाई अप किया, जैसे जितने आपके शोध गंगा हो गया, फिर आपका ये इनके साथ भी हम कर रहे हैं ये फ्यूचर स्किल्स, फ्यूचर स्किल्स, राइट। तो मतलब वो सारा कंटेंट उसमें आ जाएगा।
Agentic AI or use AI. It is like like ChatGPT, like Agentic AI.
And if it detects it's a fire, it will throw the.
I mean, there is no human intervention there. This is a total autonomous agentic process. So on the dashboard, we can either input our geographical coordinates, the drone will go there, or we can have a vision here.
Track of location also.
Track location through the drone, like you want. Yes, we can.
In a dashboard.
Yeah, you can do that. So is there any exact solution that you're looking for?
Just for the now because I'm direct
इसमें चिप डाल के डेटा लेके सीधा डायरेक्ट कंपनी के नाम।
It's a killer drone, like.
नहीं इतना।
जाओ आगे जाओ।
Well actually हाँ like fire
user skills.
That's completely up to us.
पता है मैं लास्ट दिन तक था ना मैं
It's more of a data platform for the AI specific
रेजर पे ने भी आया भाई, इंडिया ट्रस्टेड AI पेमेंट पार्टनर, empowering the next $1 billion AI.
Thank you so much. As of now, there are just two brands right now. So what's happening right now is that a lot of people, they don't want to keep multiple applications on their phone, right? You want a preferred partner, it could be ChatGPT, Gemini. As of now, we're partnered with ChatGPT. So if you give a command over there that your budget is, say, for example, 1,000 rupees, you want to buy something for your brother, you want to buy something for your mother, accordingly, it's going to throw options at you from the website itself. Whether it's cosmetic, then it's going to be Tira, whether it's gadgets, then it's going to be more. And the entire chat mechanism will be in the ChatGPT structure itself, apart from the way. Your final
Let's say these all are merchants. If they're onboarded on your platform, they can directly go on that platform, and which is built on top of ChatGPT, and you can buy your product there as opposed to going on an Amazon or a Flipkart or anything else. So you're essentially getting into retail space. All the best.
हाय सर। हेलो, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? कैसे रहा आपका फ्लाइट? आपका दैट गाय अभिषेक तिवारी नाउ प्रमोटेड टू CTPO। अरे वाह, क्या बोल रहे हो? हाँ, CTPO हो गया।
यार क्या बात है, सही है यार। आई डिडंट नो दैट। मैसेज करता हूँ।
वेरी रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट।
नाइस 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 नाइस।
मैं सोचा आपको बताऊं।
So this actually is just a prototype. So what you can do, it won't accept if you're typing anything, but you could proceed. It'll just give you a glimpse of how an onboarding happens, where the onboarding can be smoother. It's not a traditional UI form; it's an interactive, interface for our customers. It makes all the backend API calls to CKYC database, to Aadhaar database, to NSDL database on your behalf. Fetches all the information, keeps pre-filling, and it still says after all of that, I still need these 2-3 documents from you, so you could come and upload it. Once it's uploaded, it'll ask you your bank account details. Fill it details, you're onboarded, you get your API keys, you get started. So the UX flips from a traditional form, which can be intimidating, towards an interactive one, how you do it if a person is sitting next to you, right? It's like assisting you, saying, I need this extra detail, find out and give it to me. Now it's only going to ask you, let's say it's correct category. Yeah. So settlement is the last thing, where it's going to, you go to add some bank account detail, you manually add the details, and as you finish it, you verify the account. It makes a penny drop into your account to confirm that the account belongs to you. So what the name mentioned in PAN matches with the name mentioned in the account. The onboarding is done, you actually get started. That's one of the demos that's there. You can try out the other ones as well.
No, sorry.